Good morning, Plymouth. Today we are going inside St Andrew's Church. It is open, so I'm going in. I've been waiting ages to go in here. Wow, look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Look at this. Morning. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous. Wow. Look. Oh, that is fantastic. Look at that. I tell you what, it's nice and warm in here. Wow. That is gorgeous, isn't it? The doors. It's beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful, look at that. Look at this. This is the oldest part. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Look at this. Whoa. Confessional box. Look at that. Little door. Beautiful. Wow. That is so gorgeous. Look at that. See that? Now, in the 1800s, this got overpowering and filled up. And that's why they had to build a church up in Wyndham Square. Because it was overflowing. Too many people. So that's why we had a couple more churches built. Oh, look at this. This is absolutely fantastic. Oh, excuse me. Wow. You got it right back here to the... Oh, you got it at the back. Wow, you got it. This is 1771. Goes all the way back to the 16th century, I believe. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Look at that. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. It's huge. Absolutely huge. $18.20. Look at that. Wonderful. There's a crypt in there somewhere that day. Underground. But don't think they'll let us see that. Whoa, look at this, people. How big is that? Hey? Now, if nobody come in St Andrew's Church before. Wow. Amazing. Isn't that gorgeous? Little doors. I like the little doors. absolutely wonderful. And look at this. Look at that. It don't look real, does it? Wow. St. Andrews. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Admiral Blythe. Wow. Look at that door. Oh, I love those doors. Zachary. Excuse me. Wow. And of course, just behind, you got the oldest. That's for the priests. Look at that. And here is the stained glass windows. And this was what was left during the war. Yeah. But wow, that is so terrific. I like that. So big, open, lovely. That's the organ, that huge. It is. Wow. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Now that is huge. Look at that. Fantastic. Love the ceiling. And there's the oldest one. Oh, fantastic. Makes 2 steps in St. Andrew's Church. Absolutely fabulous. All down here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at the pillars. They had it all in those days, didn't they? Look at that.